State Minister for Finance and the Public Service, Zavia Mayne, has followed through on a threat that he would seek legal recourse after being charged by the Integrity Commission for breaches. Shamela Pullen has the details in this primetime news follow-up.
The attorney representing the State Minister for Finance and the Public Service, Zavia Mayne, confirmed that the Supreme Court application was filed on Monday. He is seeking to squash the Integrity Commission ruling that Mr. Mayne be charged for breaching the Integrity Commission Act. This after failing to provide additional documentation which was requested after he filed his declarations. His attorney, Nigel Jones, however, argues that the anti-corruption body is in breach of Mr. Mayne's constitutional rights. He further contends that his client has been subjected to severe injustice.
We also asked for a declaration that the respondents acted in breach of natural justice and/or Section 162 of the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom, as the applicants were entitled to a hearing at common law, and/or Section 16.2 of the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms, prior to making recommendations adverse to to his rights and interests. A declaration that the process utilized by the respondent in conducting an investigation, which resulted in their findings, conclusions, and/or recommendations made in relation to the applicant, are contained in an investigation report dated 14th of July 2025, was unfair, unreasonable, and irrational.
The government lawmaker is asking the court to award damages for several breaches. If convicted, Mr. Mayne could face a fine of up to $500,000, up to 6 months imprisonment, or an order to fulfill outstanding statutory obligations. But Mr. Jones is confident in the strength of the case.
The court will set it, but perhaps we'll just need to indicate the urgency of the matter, and if accepted, the court will set an early date. I think it's an interesting case, and I guess it has significant implications for how the commission goes about doing what it does. I believe that there are several issues which need to be ventilated. I believe it's a particularly strong case. I look forward to the court giving us its position on the matter.
The legal team is now canvassing dates for the hearing. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.